So here's the brunt of the windstorm right now. I mean, we're not getting battered too badly. You can see the palm fronds aren't blowing all over the place. Lots of seagulls flying around up there, but it's choppy out there. And we definitely have a high tide, but really, I thought it'd be a lot worse. Our power hasn't even flickered. So these are the palms in front of the local pub in Ganges. Just giving you a little weather report. The so-called bomb cyclone. Well, I think the outer part of the big island on the west coast is getting hammered, and here on the inner south coast and the southern Gulf Islands, we're pretty sheltered. So these palms aren't getting blown about too badly. Fluttering a little bit, the fronds, but other than that, pretty cool. Palms look good in the wind, don't they? I think they look awesome. They sound nice too. Makes it more look like a hurricane. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Batten down the hatches. Cheers. Light rain falling right now. It's about 12 degrees Celsius, so 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Seagulls and crows just flying around.